So guys, welcome to yet another video of DamnFast. Today we have the newest Golf. It's the Golf Mark 8. So this Golf is the 2021 model. It has the 1.5 liter TSI engine with cylinder deactivation, and it has the 130 brake horsepower spec. It has a torque of 200 Newton meters. Combined with the very nice 6-speed manual. It does the 0 to 100 in 9.2 seconds according to Volkswagen, and the top speed should be 214 kilometers an hour. So this car is equipped with the style package, which is one of the first packages that you can order for the Golf Mark 8. And it is full with options. You have the lane warning assist. You have the very nice infotainment system, the virtual display. You have the rear view camera. It has a panoramic sunroof, which is always a good thing, with a retractable visor as well. You have a lot of touch sensitive buttons in this car. We also made a practicality slash interior exterior video of this car, which you can also check out. We go further in detail of this car there. But yeah, for now, a really nice car, and I'm very curious what the 0 to 100 will be. Is our cameraman ready? Yes, he is ready. Okay, let's do the 0 to 100 of this 2021 Golf 8. Okay. 2000 RPM, and let's go. It really goes. 100 in second gear. That is nice. I think it does, yeah, around 9 seconds. It does feel decently quick. In comparison to the 150 brake horsepower engine, this engine feels a little less torquey at the low end of the RPMs. But if you proceed and go above like 3 to 4 or 5,000 RPM, it does feel a little bit strong. Like yeah, it does actually like to rev. Another run of the Golf Mark 8 0 to 100. This one's better. And 100. Ja, er zit geen stoplimit erin hoor.
Ja.